How's it going, people? Thanks for subscribing and liking all the information that you guys give me. Really love that, guys. Really do appreciate it. Um, Here, I went to go get a tire mounted, and each tire was like 15 bucks, $5 disposal fee. Um, it was like $10 for mounting, then another $10 for, or $15 for balancing. So $35 for mounting a rim on. So I was like, can I do this myself? And I did it in 5 minutes, literally 5 minutes. I cut the clip a little bit, so it's not a long clip, but there was some funny stuff like me jumping on the tire, which I liked, so I left that there. Um, but all in all, I only needed a crowbar, and I was able to push it in. This is the first time I ever did this, and it was a little, a little. So I was a little scared. I didn't want to touch the tire, but next time I think I could do it in half the time. And I'm gonna continue doing this and do all my tires and rims, so I don't have a problem. So it took me literally 5 minutes for the very first time. So I know I could do it in half the time once I get a rhythm and a system to do it. I know how to do it. I'll probably build a tool for it. And guys, I was super excited to see that I could do this in such little time. 5 minutes a tire versus $25 to $30 a tire in the shop. That's four times three, 120 bucks that I gotta give them just for mounting the tires. Then plus whatever the tires cost me. So I got these rims for 30 bucks. Um, no, I got the rims for 40 bucks. 50 bucks, I'm sorry, for all four of them for my truck because I didn't have a spare. So I just need some tires. I'm gonna just order them on AutoTrack and what is it? One of those dealers or Walmart even. I don't care. As long as they're all terrain and 10 ply, I'll be okay. So I got to do my trailer and anything I have, I'll do it. Save me some money.
Yeah, it's on there. Um, yeah, so got a nice new tire. Look at that. It's gonna go with the black tires that the stem is at versus the tire itself.
Uh, one, One last thing before I let end this clip. Let me know if this is some things you guys like to see or you don't. I'm not going to consider this to be backyard engineering because I didn't design anything. I just mounted something. I didn't really build anything. So I just wanted to see if I could do it and how fast it would take me and figure out the cost of it. That's all I wanted. It was all in all, it came out better for me. So one thing you do need for this is a crowbar. Two crowbars would be great. Um, Large leverage and a lot of soapy water because it helps out. It makes it easier and smooth to put the tire. Thanks a lot. Subscribe, like, share. Let me know anything I could do for you guys or what you guys want to see. Thank you.
Oh,
And hopefully I'll have the shed up and running soon.
that's
The
it.
tire popping is the tire sealing, actually. It's pretty simple. All right, guys. Thank you. I appreciate that. The
Oh
next thing I'm
yeah,
gonna
I'm
do
never
is just
taking the car. I'm never taking my tires to go get done again. It's just Dawn and some water, you know. You spray it, and if there's any leaks or anywhere, it's gonna bubble up, you know, like you make a bubble inside with a around the stem. You gotta kind of worry about. Yeah, no, nothing, nothing, nothing. Go to 99-cent store, get yourself a bottle. If you got old spray bottle, just some Dawn in there from the 99-cent store. Soap, any soap. It doesn't have to be Dawn. Any soap, and I will help you with this. So now I would change all my rims. Damn, there's no leak. Honestly, that was a little